Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. I could be wrong, but I think I have the flattest feet in the world. Don't quote me on that. And that's why I'm so grateful I found these incredibly strong insoles from RooRuns. These insoles are designed for the plus size frame. And when I say they are strong, this isn't an understatement. I didn't necessarily have any pain, but my legs and feet were getting fatigued because my feet kept turning inward. They do take a bit to get used to, but once you see how they support your muscles, especially in your legs, I was feeling really good and way less fatigued. They're easy to switch from one pair of shoes to another, and they stay in place, which I was really surprised about that, and I really appreciate it. They're not super bulky, and they easily fit in my runners for work. So we can be pretty hard on our feet, and we need some really good sturdy support. These things, I tell you, they are strong. I can't even get over how strong they are. I have been so thoroughly impressed with them. My legs and my feet feel so much better since wearing them. I definitely recommend these insoles from RooRuns, and that's my point of view.